Hey guys, so this is obviously before and after polishing's page. I'm going to make it before and after because I'm trying to go down this journey of passive income. I don't know if a lot of people talk about it strictly to you on YouTube, but YouTube's technically passive income. Now I'm not trying to work myself every day anymore. I'm trying to figure out ways to make income without having to work or less effort. Because YouTube can be mentally draining, which sucks. When you invest all your life into it, like some of the guys that play video games or whatnot. So I'd like to do this and make some money off of it while continuing to polish and work on semis through the winter. And I'm just gonna do small stuff, basically like DIY projects. I'm gonna go down this journey and try showing you all what's going on and learn stuff. Basically, I want to learn how to window tint this year. I'd like to learn how to do paint correction, ceramic coating. That are my big things. Big three I want to learn. And it's just because that's something I want to know how to do because I want to provide it as a service. Because I don't want to stop working completely doing what I do. Because I have passion in it. I actually enjoy it most days. There's days like today where I didn't get as far as I wanted to because, well, it was just one of those days. But at the end of the day, I want to know how to do it because I want to do it for myself. If my wife needs her car tinted, if we get her new car, tint the windows on it one night and be fine. Because tinting windows actually don't take that long as you know how to do it. And I have no clue where I'm starting at. So I'd like to learn from someone else and then provide that as a service if they want. And that's why I want to build a garage. So then someone can come here, drop off their vehicle, get it done. And then within a day, they're out on the road with their vehicle and happy about not being in a fishbowl. But I really want to do the paint correction or paint enhancement, whatever you're going to call it, and the ceramic coating for my trucker, for trucking semi guys. I in this area there's no one that really does it. Jesse Bramblett with Pristine Plus Tinting, I think is if you look up his Facebook page, but it should be Pristine Plus something. It's Pristine Plus, I know. And he's got in well with the dealerships of semis in Quincy, Illinois. So he does that stuff. But all our individual guys out here, some farmers will just want it done because they're about to sell it. And they're going to be upgrading to a different truck, and then they'll want that truck also done. There's some guys that are just really picky with their whoever touches it and don't want anyone to touch it until someone they know and trust can do it. I get asked quite a bit about doing paint, and I always tell them every time, no, I don't touch paint. It's just something I've always pushed myself away from because I never took the time to learn it. I would love to. I really need to, so then I can provide the service. Just like window tinting. Window tinting is really big in this area. I'd like to just be able to provide it. That's just something that's, what do you call it? Everyone buys a new vehicle, and then all of a sudden they don't want to be in a fishbowl. So they always tint their windows. And there's a few guys around here that stay booked for months, but they also do it on the side. So it's kind of one of those 50-50 deals. But yeah, I'd like to provide window tinting, paint correction, and ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is a big thing. It's for certain people, but I don't know. But no, this channel is going to get brought into the journey of me learning how to boost passive income. And it's going to be used for passive income, but you're going to see DIY projects a lot. So that's why it's before and after, because some of this is before and it'll look better after, hopefully. I'm not like for example, I'm probably gonna work on vehicles of my own on this. Like I have to rebuild a transmission in my '72 Chevy. I ain't clutch it burnt. I like just toasted in it, and the valve body's stuck. And it's stuck in drive, so they're stuck in a drive gear. Put it that way. But no, I just kind of want to put this out there, saying I appreciate you guys if you have subscribed. I'm doing the very basics for a while because I don't have much for like editing and everything else. I don't have a microphone. Microphones I've heard are cheap. I just haven't went out of my way to actually get them because I'll probably forget to charge them. So my phone audio is about all you're gonna get for a while, and I'm gonna edit on my phone, so everything's gonna come off my phone because my phone's always there. Because obviously I get phone calls, being that I have a business. So if you guys have watched all this, thank you. Please go to my Facebook and go like, follow, whatever it is. My Snapchat is BNA Polishing. Before and after polishing on Facebook. Letter N, not and. A lot of people get that confused. And I will be eventually buying up semi parts, like fuel tanks, hopefully some step boxes. If I can get a hold of some semi wheels, I'll be having those. I know GM wheels. I try getting a hold of those quite a bit, and just have them polished up and ready, stocked, ready to go. So that's gonna be my biggest thing, is having all those parts in hand, ready to go out the door. So, anyways, guys, like I said, thank you. I appreciate you if you come along with this journey of trying something different. I've tried this before just for gaming, and it went downhill. But I'm hoping doing DIY and showing like mechanic side, all your project stuff that you can think of around your house. I'm just gonna do small bits of it, and we'll go from there. So anyways, guys, please like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.